If you're thinking about getting a laser, or you already have one but don't know what to make and sell, I have 5 ideas any beginner can make. Starting off on number 1 on the list are puzzles. With puzzles, you have a bunch of different routes you could take to make them unique and stand out. One way to make puzzles unique would be to take customer orders for jigsaw puzzles with the customer's photo engraved on it. People love custom work, especially if it's made for them. They get that one-of-one feeling. These are great gifts for anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, holidays, so orders will come all year round. Not only can you use the laser engraver to engrave the pictures onto the wood or other materials, but you can also use it to cut the puzzle pieces using the same machine. Instead of making a simple puzzle with the picture, I took it one step further and added a frame. The puzzle sits nicely inside the frame, and now it's a decoration piece as well. Another option to make custom puzzles is to make kid puzzles. It's no secret that parents love to spend money on their kids. Also, puzzles and strategy games happen to be the most popular children's toy, so tapping into that market is a no-brainer. Plus, I heard puzzles help kids develop or something like that. You don't need to know how to make and design puzzles yourself. Etsy is an awesome source you can find creative puzzles that you can make and sell. But making your own is honestly not that difficult. I threw this one together in under 20 minutes. There are hundreds of different puzzles to choose from on Etsy, and if you can't find exactly what you're looking for, you can always purchase the closest thing and modify it to your liking. Just make sure to read the description of the listing and the seller is okay with the selling of physical products used in their file. Almost all files on Etsy are, but you still want to double check and respect the seller. There's a big chance you're watching this video on your phone, and there's a bigger chance that you actually own a phone. Phones are another great item to customize and sell using your laser engraver because everyone has a phone nowadays. But what type of items can you make for the phone? Phone stands are a popular item to make, not to mention that they are one of the easiest things to design and even quicker to cut out. If you can't think of a design, you can always find a lot of different styles on Etsy. I mean, check out this awesome phone stand file I came across. It turns your phone into a little TV. Not to mention you can customize it further from here by adding words or pictures to it. Portable phone cases are another thing that you can make quickly. Custom phone cases with the customer's photo, special words, or dates make awesome gifts all year round. The next item can be sold, but can also be used when shipping your own items. Custom cut boxes. Presentation of the package is almost as important as the item itself for some businesses. Laser cut custom boxes are a good sell if you can find a local business that wants to step up their packaging presentation. These boxes are easy to adjust in size and customize with the logo or name on the box. If you go to makeyourcase.com and insert the box size and the number of sides that you need, it will make the file for you. All you have to do at this point is take the SVG file over to your laser software and set up your machine to cut out the box. If you're not a fan of making your own custom box from scratch, you can always buy the boxes off Amazon and then just offer custom shipping box engraving. For every item I ship on my Etsy store, I have a custom box with my logo on it. This not only makes your item feel more premium, but it shows the level of detail and pride you take in your products. Keeping with the thing of business cards are another great item to make with a laser. Now more than ever, people are starting their own business. All those new businesses need business cards. And what better way to stand out from the crowd than with awesome wooden business cards? Business cards are simple to make and customize, and you can batch them out fairly quickly. Sure, they cost more than paper cards, but some people are willing to pay for that nicer quality. It should go without saying, but items revolving around holidays are always a good sell. And laser engravers make it easy to produce your own products for the holidays. I used to make jack-o'-lanterns by hand and they took forever to make. Using my X-Tool D1 Pro, I am able to cut out all the jack-o'-lantern parts on the machine and I can even customize them by engraving names on it. You can use the same file as the jack-o'-lantern box and change out the fronts for a Christmas themed box to sell around Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, a Christmas countdown calendar. This has so many possibilities for customization, and it's also something you can batch out alongside Christmas ornaments. Your local market would be the best for these items since you wouldn't have to worry about shipping and shipping costs. If you have any other creative holiday ideas, drop them down in the comment section. This is just breaking the surface of what you can make with the desktop laser. If you're thinking about getting a laser machine, I'll leave a link down below in the description to the X-Tool-D1 Pro 20 watt, which is the machine I use to make all these products. This video was sponsored by X-Tool, and they wanted me to let you know that they're doing a giveaway for their new X-Tool Fire Safety Set. X-Tool is taking action to raise the safety standards of all desktop laser machines by reducing the possibility of fire accidents. The Fire Safety Set detects flames, it triggers an alarm, it cuts the power to the machine, and releases CO2 gases to put out most flames. It's clean, non-toxic, and has no smell. If you have a laser and are interested in testing this product out, click the link in the description for a chance to receive a free X-Tool safety set. By the way, the X-Tool D1 Pro I used in this video already comes with flame detection, it triggers an alarm, and it cuts power to the laser. Actually, I'll leave a review video right here for you to watch.